today we are learning fruit names in Mandarin. So let's start. Peng Kao, which means apple. Peng Kao, which means apple. Peng Kao, which means apple. Pronounce with me. Peng Kao, which means apple. Let's move to the next word. Xian Jiao, which means banana. Xian Jiao, which means banana. Let's pronounce with me. Xian Jiao, which means banana. Xian Jiao, which means banana. Let's move to the next word. Chen Zi, which means orange. Pronounce with me. Chen Zi, which means orange. Chen Zi, which means orange. Let's move to the next word. Ji Gua, which means watermelon. Let's pronounce with me. Ji Gua, which means watermelon. Ji Gua, which means watermelon. Let's move to the next word. Let's speak with me. Li, which means pear. Pronounce with me. Li, which means pear. Let's move to the next word. Pu Tao. Pu Tao, which means grapes. Let's pronounce with me. Pu Tao, which means grapes. Pu Tao, which means grapes. Let's move to the next word. Bu Tao, which means pineapple. Let's pronounce with me. Bu Tao, which means pineapple. Bu Tao, which means pineapple. Let's move to the next word. Tao Mei, which means strawberry. Let's pronounce with me. Tao Mei, which means strawberry. Tao Mei, which means strawberry. Let's move to the next word. Mangao, which means mango. Let's pronounce with me. Mangao, which means mango. Let's move to the next word. Ning Meng, which means lemon. Pronounce with me. Ning Meng, which means lemon. Ning Meng, which means lemon. Thanks for watching my video. Next week we will learn numbers in Mandarin. Xie xie, we have learned that is thank you. And Zai jian, which means goodbye.